Yokohama. To enrich people's lives and contribute to their greater happiness and well-being by devoting our wholehearted energies and advanced technology to the creation of beneficial products. This has been the basic philosophy of our company since its founding in 1917. And in October 2017, Yokohama Rubber Company celebrated its 100th anniversary. In light of this major milestone, we are asking ourselves new questions. What is our goal today when we devote our energies and technologies to creating beneficial products? Our foresight has always helped us launch new products in advance of our competitors. Have our planning ability and technologies continued to evolve? What do we need to do in order to enrich the lives and contribute to the greater happiness of people around the world who have different cultures and ways of thinking? How do we make ourselves a truly global company? All Yokohama employees are deeply conscious of and dedicated to answering each of these important questions. This dedication to the future defines Yokohama Rubber. It defines where we're heading. Having reached our centenary, our goal is to confirm our distinctive global identity, building corporate value and a strong market presence. To this end, we are implementing our medium-term management plan, Grand Design 100. In 2018, Yokohama issued its new medium-term management plan, Grand Design 2020. To be ready for new growth beyond 2020, we are strengthening strategies for each division and fortifying our business foundation. Yokohama Rubber produces tires, industrial products, sports equipment, and other products, offering them around the world. Our tires for passenger cars, trucks, buses, construction and mining equipment, and other uses have earned the highest level of trust of customers worldwide. Our industrial products feature the same outstanding level of technology. Our high-pressure hoses, conveyor belts, marine hoses, sealants and adhesives, and water tanks and other parts for aircraft play an important role in society. Our ProGear brand of golf equipment features a radically new and scientific approach to development that has resulted in many hit products. In 2016, with a view to expanding our commercial tire business, we acquired all of the shares of Alliance Tire Group BV, adding tires for agricultural and forestry machinery to our lineup. Then in 2017, we welcomed Aichi Tire Industry Company Limited to the Yokohama Group, expanding into industrial tires. We are also strengthening our group-wide initiative to grow our off-highway tire business. produce this wide range of products, Yokohama Rubber has established production sites around the world. In addition, our local subsidiaries maintain robust sales networks to satisfy global demand. From the development of materials to the design, testing, and assessment of finished products, we engage in research and development in a comprehensive and integrated manner. The heart of this function is RADIC, the R&D center located in our Hiratsuka factory. And in 2017, our second R&D center was completed, further strengthening our research and development. With the Yokohama China Technical Center in our factory in Hangzhou, China, and our U.S. Tire R&D Center as core facilities, we're strengthening our ability to test and assess tires where we manufacture them. To create tires offering the highest level of performance and durability, we repetitively perform tests of every variety on actual automobiles at our D-Park test course. A linchpin of distribution in Asia, Thailand hosts our Tire Test Center of Asia. Our large test course here recreates a wide variety of driving environments and allows us to perform testing under stable conditions throughout the year. On our test course at the Yokohama Test Center of Sweden, we test winter tires from November to April, when temperatures are consistently below the freezing point. At our Tire Test Center of Hokkaido, we recreate winter conditions to test studless tires and a variety of other winter tires on actual automobiles. Yokohama Rubber supplies tires for use in every category of motorsport around the world. We engage in continuous research and development to enhance performance. In addition to our production facilities in Japan, we continue to establish new factories overseas to satisfy customer needs around the world. By producing and selling overseas, we help ensure that our activities are contributing to local societies and cultures. Yokohama Rubber is a pioneer in the development and manufacture of high-quality, environmentally responsible tires that win the trust of customers and meet the needs of societies worldwide. On construction sites, in ships, in high-rise buildings, in airplanes. Wherever you look, Technologies from Yokohama Rubber are playing a crucial role in the development of industry. Launched in 1983, Yokohama Rubber's Pro Gear brand of golf products has continued to evolve with a unique approach to the sport. When it comes to environmental responsibility, Yokohama Rubber seeks to earn and maintain the unwavering trust of society. In order to assert world-class strengths in environmental protection technologies, we are engaged in a wide variety of initiatives. We have also established the Yokohama Forever Forest Project and are planting a total of 500,000 trees in Japan and overseas. Yokohama Rubber, celebrating 100 years in business as of October 2017. In our R&D, production and sales activities, we are striving to enrich people's lives and contribute to their greater happiness and well-being by devoting our wholehearted energies and advanced technology to the creation of beneficial products. And we will continue to move forward in our second century.